Coffee's cold, inbox blazing. I'm snowed under, screens are hazy. Boss walks by, got that look on his face. One more typo, egg on your face. Staring at the clock like, is it broken, is it me? Every little screw up feels like 20 past 3. 5 more minutes till the weekend starts. I've been counting down in my restless heart. Save money, save time, that's what they say, but I just wanna waste both on you all day. 5 more minutes, I can almost taste kicking off these rules that we fake obey. Save money, save time, I'll forget that line when the work week ends and you're finally mine. Sticky notes on my sweater, plans to be someone better. All these hacks, how to own your day. I just circle Friday anyway. I could chase promotions, I could chase some sleep, but I just